We're fixing to have some fun, y'all. If you're into cookie decorating, which I'm not really, because I can get too impatient, but I really, really like decorated cookies that are more on the simple side, those that require all the tips and all the, I'm not real good at that. Like I said, I want to get it done. Get her done. So the recipe, the cookie recipe, we're using a tea cake, my tea cake recipe. And we did this in another video. So you've got the tea cake recipe that I used. And you'll want to make it and then stick it in the fridge for an hour or two because it's a sticky dough. It's kind of wet. Now, what number is this?
I forgot to tell you.
This is
day 3.
Day 3. Well, gosh, we just did 9. Day 9.
We've been jumping around. Let's be honest.
So, day 3 on our Christmas cookies. And I put the dough over here. And you know what? I think the kids would really have fun helping you on this one. Maybe after you get them cut out and baked and let them decorate them. Because like I said, it's fairly simple. It's a simple decoration. You can see this has probably been in the refrigerator now a couple of hours. And you can see it's still sticky. I'm gonna put some flour down to help me not curse. You know what I mean, burn. Okay, I had pinched off a piece and trying to decide what size to make the cookie. I'm just going to use my biscuit cutter and I'm going to roll these out to about 1/4 inch. And your scraps, you just save them and knead them a second and then re-roll. So y'all holler when you think I got it like 1/4 inch, okay? Y'all gonna have to holler loud though. I hear no hollers.
Eddie, is it?
Well, it's definitely not from this side. So
It's definitely not 1/4. Is it more
It's thick.
or?
Oh yeah.
Oh, it's
no,
thick.
It's thick.
Okay.
It's like 1/2 inch, if not 3/4, closer to.
Oh wow. Well, there's nothing wrong with a fat cookie.
Yeah, I don't know why they tell you to do them so thin anyway.
We were debating about using the larger one or the more medium size, so we decided on this size. Now, on the tea cake recipe, it says, I love this parchment paper, y'all, because you can reuse it. It's great. The shortbread recipe says it'll make like 6 dozen, but it just depends on how
Big and thick.
how big and thick. That's exactly right. So hopefully these will spread out a little bit. I may still have them a little thick.
I say stick with it.
Stick with this thickness.
Mm-hmm.
They're not going to spread out much. You want to make sure you keep your, that might be a little better. But still, I think I'm going to do a couple of them big, and we'll just play with it. Y'all, I decided to use 2 different biscuit cutters. You know, I first thought this was too big, and then I do this, and I think it's too little, because there's a good bit of decoration that goes on each of these cookies. So I want to make sure that they have enough room. So I've done 2 different sizes, and then we'll judge. Our cookies look beautiful. Now this is a small one. This is the large one. So I think we've just about decided on the large. I don't know. I think I will try decorating these a little bit, you know, before we put the next ones in the oven. What y'all think about that? Y'all, I'm trying to get my royal icing. You know, you buy this at the store, and it's real thick. And I'm gonna have to keep adding a little hot water to it. Because it gets hard real quick.
You might need to do all the icing first.
I don't know. I'm afraid
I think
that
you should do every ice.
I don't know. I'm afraid, Teresa, that the things won't stick to it then. All right. Do y'all got what we're doing? Y'all got what we're making? Where's the rest of our stuff?
Next to you, right there. There's your M&Ms.
Okay, and
There's your black gel in front of your icing.
oh, okay. All right, and I would recommend. All right, we want to pick 2 oranges for the buttons. And I would recommend, I'm using a black pen, and I'm going to do this for his eyes. I'm going to do an orange candy for his nose. Uh-oh.
Cute.
Isn't that cute? Look, he's coming, y'all. He's coming along. Now we have to do his arms and his legs. Here goes his arms and his little hands.
Oh, those are cute.
Aren't they cute? So cute. Him doesn't have a hat, though. All right.
Well, he's melting, remember?
Yeah, that's right. All right, I have a picture of what they're supposed to look like for you. All right, now I did not put a black dot for his mouth, so I'm going to go back and do that.
I think that's adorable.
It is, it's adorable. But like I said, you're going to have to.
Well, Paula, what you could also do is, since the really thing that sticks is the marshmallow, you could just put a little bit of, as you put the marshmallows on, you could just put a little bit of that on the bottom of the marshmallow and stick it.
Yeah, but okay. I'm just gonna stir in that hot water that I added. I mean, around the edges, it's like concrete, y'all. Like concrete. And I would like for it to pour like naturally, like him naturally melting. All right, so we're gonna see. Yeah, I like that thickness better. Come on, you gonna melt a little that away. Yes, much better. Much better.
Just takes time.
Uh-huh. Now we're gonna do his 2 little eyes. In his little mouth. Oh, he got his lipstick out of line.
Welcome to being a woman.
Uh-huh. You should have been a man, Snowman. I love that little candy for his nose.
Oh, yeah, that looks cute.
And these have peanuts in them, don't they?
Some of them. There's some mixed.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm going to find.
You like nuts.
I do like nuts, but on here, he works better without a nut. I wish I could figure out something for his hair.
Oh.
You know?
It's just going to melt off.
Well, I gave them feet and they didn't.
I wondered why you were doing.
Because snowmen don't have feet. Do they?
They don't. Let's do a few more and then we'll come back and show them our artwork. Does that sound good?
It looks like the snowman has a spider on him, doesn't it? What do y'all think? I think they're so cute. And I think the kids would have a ball putting all this together. Eddie put some hair on a little cap on some of them. And instead of doing the M&Ms, he used the black to make them buttons. But you can do them any way you want to. And I think they're so, so cute. And of course, I know the cookie's good because that's my
Tea cake.
my Southern tea cake recipe that I've been making for years. So we know that's good. And I actually had one that we tested to see what size. And you know what? I think all three of us decided we like the smaller ones better. And I don't know if we have any smaller ones. Maybe that one's smaller and that one. Yeah, we like the smaller cookie cutter. They're delicious. I think he looks a little better than him, though. What y'all think? I'm impatient. Merry Christmas, whatever snowmen say. They say they love you, and they'll be back next winter. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.